Ramaphosa hails the African Continental Free Trade Area. President Cyril Ramaphosa has hailed the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Agreement as the most important initiative the continent has launched. Ramaphosa, speaking at the World Economic Forum on Tuesday, said the free trade area would foster integration, increase trade and accelerate the building of productive capabilities and infrastructure in Africa. The agreement, which came into effect this month, is expected to be fully operational by 2030, where it will be expected to become the world's biggest free trade zone. Ramaphosa said Africa was a youthful and growing market, made up of 1.2 billion people. Our forebears, our founders wanted Africa to work together, to be integrated, and it has taken us some time to arrive at that. And integration means much more when it affects the economic lives of the countries of the continent.